Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here again.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I had a great morning. And you, Emily? How are you?
I'm feeling good. I woke up early and had a nice, quiet cup of coffee. It was a good start to the day.
Ah, that sounds perfect. A quiet morning is a happy morning.
It really is. And before we get into our topic, let's quickly remind our friends how they can support the channel.
Yes, let's do that. If you are enjoying our podcast, we would love it if you click the like button.
And please subscribe. That way, you'll always know when a new episode is here. It helps us so much.
It does, and sharing with your friends is the best way to help our community grow. Thank you all.
Thank you. Okay, Paul, are you ready for our topic today?
I am ready. What are we talking about?
Today, we are going to talk about feelings. You know, how we feel every day.
Oh, feelings. That's a big topic, but a very important one. Happy, sad, all of that.
Exactly. We often just say, I'm good or I'm okay, but there are so many more ways to say how we feel.
That is very true. It's more honest, more real. So where should we start? A positive feeling?
Yes, let's start with happy. We both said we are feeling good and happy today. What is something that makes you happy, Paul?
A simple thing is getting a nice message from a friend. Just a, hello, how are you? It makes me smile.
I love that. It's small, but it really changes your day. For me, finishing all my work for the day makes me feel happy.
Yes, that feeling of, okay, I am done is fantastic. You feel light and free.
Exactly. Also, my cat makes me happy. She does funny things, and it just makes me laugh.
Pets are the best for that. They are so good at making us happy. So, happy is a great feeling. What about the opposite?
The opposite would be sad. And it's okay to feel sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes.
Of course. It's a normal part of life. What is a situation that makes you feel sad?
For me, I feel sad when I miss my family. They live in a different city, so sometimes I just miss talking with them.
I completely understand that. Missing people you love is a real reason to feel sad. For me, I feel sad when a friend is sick or has a problem.
Yes, because you care about them and you want them to be okay.
Exactly. Or another small thing, if I make plans with a friend and they have to cancel. I understand, but I still feel a little sad.
Me too. You get ready to go out and then, oh, the plan has changed. It's a little disappointing.
Disappointing, yes. That's a good word. It can make you feel a bit sad.
So these are real, everyday reasons. It's not always something big.
Right. Okay, what about another very common feeling, especially after a long day?
Oh, you must mean tired.
Yes, tired. I think we all know this feeling very well.
I definitely do. Waking up very early for a meeting makes me tired for the whole day.
Oh yes, that 6 a.m. alarm is not a happy sound. For me, a very busy day makes me tired. When I have to run around to different places, do many things, at the end of the day, I am so tired.
I know that feeling. Your legs feel tired, your brain feels tired. You just want to sit on the sofa.
And not move. Also, studying can make you tired. When you read and read for a long time, your brain says, okay, stop now.
That's so true. It's a different kind of tired, a mental tired.
Yes. So there is physical tired and mental tired. Very interesting.
It is. Okay, here's another one. What do you call the feeling you get around 1 p.m. when you haven't had lunch?
I know that one very well. That is hungry.
Yes, I get very hungry if I don't have breakfast. My stomach starts making noises.
Mine too. It's not a good feeling to be very hungry. It makes it hard to think.
I agree. And when I'm hungry, I want something salty, like fries. What about you?
I usually want a big bowl of pasta when I'm really hungry. Something warm and good.
That sounds delicious. And what's the feeling when your mouth is dry and you need a drink?
That is thirsty. After exercise, I am always very thirsty.
Yes, after a run or a workout, you need water. Or just on a very hot day, it's easy to feel thirsty.
It is. It's your body telling you, hey, I need water.
It's important to listen. Okay, we have some good basic feelings. What about a stronger one? For example, when you miss the bus.
I feel angry. Or maybe frustrated.
Yes, angry is a good word for it. It's a hot, strong feeling.
It is. I feel angry when things don't work. Like my computer is very, very slow and I have a lot of work to do.
Oh, that is the worst. You click and you wait and wait. It makes me feel very impatient and a little angry.
Me too. Or when I am trying to explain something and the other person is not listening, they're looking at their phone.
Oh, that makes me feel angry too. It feels rude.
It does. So, angry is another one of those feelings that happens to everyone.
For sure. Now, let's talk about a fun one. The feeling you have before a vacation or before the weekend.
Oh, that's a great feeling. It's excited.
Yes, I love feeling excited. This Friday, a good friend is coming to visit me. I am so excited.
That's wonderful. See, that's a perfect reason. You have a fun plan, so you feel excited. I get excited when I am going to try a new restaurant.
Ooh, me too. You look at the menu online and think about all the good food.
Yes, I do exactly that. It's a very happy, energetic feeling. You feel like you can't wait.
Is it Friday yet? That's the feeling.
That's it. It's a very positive, forward-looking feeling. I like it a lot.
Me too. Now, what about a feeling that is not so positive? Like when you hear a loud thunderstorm at night.
For that, I would feel scared.
Yes, scared. A sudden loud noise can make you feel scared. Your heart beats fast.
It does. Or, for example, if you are walking and a big dog starts running toward you, even if it's friendly, for 1 second, you feel scared.
That's a great example. You don't know what will happen. That feeling of, oh no, is being scared.
Right. It's a feeling that tells our body to be careful, to pay attention.
That's a good way to look at it. Okay, here's the situation. You are at the doctor's office. You are waiting and waiting and waiting. How do you feel?
I feel bored. So bored.
Yes, waiting with nothing to do is the definition of bored.
It is. You read all the magazines, you look at your phone, and you still have more time to wait. That is feeling bored.
I feel bored when I have to do the same easy thing again and again. It makes the time feel so slow.
Oh, yes, a repetitive task. Your mind just goes to sleep. So, what do you do when you are bored?
I try to listen to a podcast, like this one, or I call my mom.
Good ideas. I try to read a book on my phone. Anything to make my brain busy again.
Exactly. Okay, one more. What is the feeling when you see a friend in the supermarket and you didn't know they were in town?
Oh, I feel surprised.
Yes. Wow. Paul, what are you doing here? That feeling.
It's a great feeling. A happy surprise. You feel your eyes get wide.
Yes. I also feel surprised when someone gives me a compliment I don't expect. Like, I really like your shirt.
Oh, that's a nice surprise. It can make your whole day better.
It can. A surprise is just something you don't expect. It can be big or small.
That's the key, the unexpected. Wow, Emily, this is a fantastic list of feelings.
It is. And the reasons are all from normal, everyday life.
They are, and this is so helpful. Now our listeners can say more than, "I'm fine, thanks."
I hope so. They can say, I'm a little tired today, or I'm excited for the weekend.
It makes conversations much more interesting and real. You connect with people.
You really do. When you share how you really feel, it helps people understand you better.
I agree completely. And it's good to remember, all these feelings are normal. Nobody is happy all the time.
That is the most important thing to remember. It's okay to have a day where you feel sad, or angry, or bored.
Exactly. And the next day you can feel happy or excited. Feelings change.
Just like the weather.
Perfect analogy. So, Emily, how are you feeling right now after our great conversation?
I am feeling really happy and very satisfied. I think this was a very helpful conversation. And still a little hungry. How about you?
I feel great. I'm happy we talked about this, and I am excited for our listeners to use these new words.
Me too. I think this was a wonderful chat. And it seems we're at the end of our episode.
I think we are. Time goes fast when you are having fun.
It does. So, to all our listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, we do. Please write to us in the comments section. Tell us, how are you feeling today?
You can choose any feeling we talked about. I feel happy, I am tired, I am bored. We want to hear from you.
We really do. And if you found this episode helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you all so much for being here with us.
Yes, thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.